What's up, guys? Before we start this video, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna speed up a bunch of parts because I'm sick, and at some points I'm low-key just yapping about random shit. So but that won't take away from any of the important information in the video. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be back testing but a standard deviation top and bottom ticking strategy. Last time I back tested it, it had about a 50% win rate, which is really good considering its high RR, and a high win rate is a cheat code. So we're gonna back test it live today on FX Replay, so you guys know that I'm not like cherry picking specific dates. So I don't know. Let's go back. We'll do July. I don't remember if price action was good in July, but we'll start there. Then so I guess end till today. Not that we're gonna do that much time. Bro, why are my chart colors like this? The fuck? Wait, I better have my. Okay, I still have my FIP. Okay. Okay, we are getting off track right now. Alright, so basically the way the strategy works is, so a lot of people say you mark out consolidation or accumulation range, and you mark out that manipulation leg. That's kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. If there's not a clear accumulation range, then it's hard to find the manipulation leg. So what I do is I just find the manipulation leg before a big displacement. So we're just gonna go ahead here and see what we get. Okay, see, we already got it right here, this manipulation leg. So we'll draw the fib from down here all the way up to here. Here are our levels. And now what I do is I go up to the 4-hour time frame, see if I have any confluences or like fair value gaps or anything. Don't see anything here. And we'll go to the 1 hour, see if we see anything. We do have an order block right here. We'll use the 4 here. And we'll just set a limit. I'll just do 200. This obviously is not what I would usually do. But we'll set a limit for 200. Stop above these highs. Then I'm not going to set my take profit yet, but we'll see what happens.
So, my price looks same.
And if price leaves you behind throughout the whole day like this, you probably should just find something else like that. Okay, we're just going to disregard that. Great start. Love this. Okay, so where's our manipulation leg before a big displacement? Okay, here we go. This is actually good. Damn, it took me long enough. Okay. All right, we'll use this. This manipulation leg right here because it manipulates down. And what do we get? Displacement to the upside. So now we'll go on the 4-hour. Fucking A. Okay. We weren't at all-time highs during this, were we? Shit. Damn, bro, we were. I forgot about this. Okay, well, we're fine. Did I not do the? I did the 4-minute. Do we have anything? Okay, we have an order block on the 2. We'll try that, but we're at all-time highs, so I doubt this is actually gonna work. And then price is gonna drop. Hit limit. There you go. We're in. And then bang, we already get displacement down. We did take out these lows, so this is when I move my stop to break even. And then take profit, probably down to these lows, to be honest. So right there. And bang, take profit hit. That was actually a really good example right there. And we were at all-time highs, so that was good to see. That's more of a scalp. I mean, you see traders and they take these huge, like, all the way down to fucking all-time lows. Like, you're not gonna get that every time. But this is a really good trade right here. I mean, let's see. So my limits. Oh fuck, wrong one. Sorry guys, it's late. It's actually not that late, but okay. So, okay, we bottom ticked our take profit too, which I didn't want to put at these lows. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea why I didn't do that. It was just kind of instinct. Like whenever I usually set my take profits and stop losses at highs and lows. I never do them like a lot of people do them right above the highs and right below the lows. I don't do that. That's like too risky for me for like an extra like couple ticks. So yeah, this was like the only option in my book. But there we go. That was a really good setup right there. What time was this? Oh, this was right around the time I'd actually be trading. Damn. Okay, so somebody like Powell probably caught that. Okay, now we're just okay. Shit. Okay, so I'll count this as displacement. So manipulation leg right there. I doubt we're gonna go any lower than this, but we'll see. Okay, this is perfect. So we have, I mean, that's damn near CE of. Well, let me get rid of this. Of this 4-hour gap. Hold on. I'll mark this for now. Let's check on the 1 hour, see if we have anything sooner. Yeah, no, that's the best thing we got. So here, we'll set our limit right here. Stop loss. See, if I wasn't doing bottom top ticking today, I'd probably put it down here, but you know, we really want to have that high RR, so we're gonna do this. And then see if we get down to that level. Okay, probably should switch back to the 5-minute. I'm an idiot. It'd really suck if price doesn't come hit this level because I'm like really confident in this. And then we're just gonna chop until the next day. All right, so we've probably passed 30, like 10 more setups. So it's probably not a good example. Damn, we really are just moving in a straight line, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Okay, bro, this is really condescending. So on small manipulation legs like this, you're not going to get a whole lot out of it. So you can use a bigger manipulation leg like this. We may still be, we still don't even have a range. Okay, this is great. I picked the worst time to do this. But hey, we're still up 13 racks, so this is good. This right here, this manipulation leg. Okay, my mouse almost just died. Let's see if we get any new. Okay, so the two, no. All right, so the one looks pretty good right here, I'm not going to lie. And we're very bullish, so this would not be bad looks. Let's see if we got anything on the 1 hour. One lines up pretty well with the 1 hour gap. We have this rejection block on the 2.5, but I don't really love that. So, okay, we'll use this one right here. Okay, we'll make your stop loss that big. And then probably set TP at these highs. Okay, we're in. And we'll set our break even at, we'll do it once we beat these highs right here. I set break even really early. I know some people would wait for like the inversion of or the midpoint to this gap, but if you want to have a high win rate with a a high RR strategy, there's stuff that you got to do. Okay, we hit that. Now I'll move our stop to break even, and then just let it fly. Okay, so we got break even. Let's chill. Not a loss. I don't love the -1 on the standard deviation, by the way, so I'm not really upset about that one. All right, let's see what we got here. Just let this fly. Okay. Can use this manipulation leg right here. And then see if we got anything. 4 hour. Oh, I thought that was a 4 hour gap. I'm tweaking. This is a rejection block that's already been used, but I believe you can use rejection blocks multiple times. Actually, there's no point in trying that out. We'll mark the 2.5 here. Still all-time high, so don't know how I feel about this. Now we go down in the 1 hour. Not a very strong gap here. I like the -2.5 on this. If we reject off the -1, that's great, but I would not take that. So if you guys took the -1 there, you guys would have banked. I would definitely not have taken that, but it was in a 1 hour gap. So if you would have taken that, props to you. What was I gonna say? Yeah, no, I definitely would not have taken that. But that's great. So for some of you, that'll be a W in the books. But you can see, I mean, it's literally to the tick. Like, let's line our thing up with the one right here. I mean, that is like no drawdown, like at all. That's crazy. That's 2 points. That's insane. That doesn't even look like 2 points to me, to be honest, but that's crazy. That's crazy. We're not thinking anything else yet, which is good to know. You probably could take this, but I'm using manipulation leg, but I'm not doing too much this job. Still have something down here, really. Probably never hit. But here we go. Manipulation leg before he's placing right here. So all-time high. Yeah, all-time highs. So one thing you can do is all-time highs here. -1 is right above these highs right here, which you could pair with a liquidity sweep. I don't think I would do that either. So I'm going to set my tool, but I would never actually take this trade. But I'll set my tool and I'll put it down at the 1 right here. Okay, yeah, good thing I didn't take that shit. That was just a shot in the dark, by the way. I did not think that would ever work. Okay. Let's go. Here we go. This is a little manipulation like, but here we go. This is what we want to see. So we'll go to the 4 hour. Okay. This would have been good. Right in the middle of this 4 hour gap. This would have been good. Okay. So we were late to this because I'm too fast. But we'll set our long position. Don't ask why my long and short positions are different colors. I have no idea why. I barely use this website. Okay, so we'll do a 10-point stop. And then we'll put our take profit. Let me extend this. Shit. Okay. Wow, my stop would not be that small. Never mind. Probably be like that big. Okay. Set our take profit at these highs and our break even. We'll go to, hold on, let me go to the 1 minute real quick. What the fuck did I just do? Okay, we'll set our break even at these equal highs right here. That looks good to me. Okay, now we're break even. Break even again. That's great. Okay. And now price is just gonna run toward take profit. Okay, guys, I'm looking back at this and I'm realizing I would never actually set my break even that early. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest, but we'll set it as a break even for the books. But we all know that was TP. Break even in our price range or take profit. Shit, was my stop originally big enough? I don't know. I don't think so. But still not an L. Notice that. So our -1 is cooking today. I'll give you guys my standard deviation settings at the end of the video. So, alright, I think I'm gonna do one more trade and get off. I'm freaking exhausted, but you guys get the point. I'm probably gonna like speed through this video a little bit because I'm doing a whole lot of watching and shit. If you guys don't know what displacement, Jesus, that was perfect timing. If you guys don't know what displacement is, this is displacement, like a big move up or down after accumulating, you might say. Okay. All right, here we go here. And then, okay, did not mean to go the 45 minute. Sorry, I'm a little jittery. Okay, we still got nothing. This is great. Still all-time highs. God. If you guys want to see another video where I choose a time when we're not at all-time highs, I will do that because I apologize. But we're still managing to make it work. Okay, so here, wait, I'm going to try something I've never tried before. We're going to go to the 1 minute and look at our levels. Okay, what if, say we're on the -2 here. We get a IFVG, then you could possibly enter. Okay, let's just say we enter right now. I missed the entry again because I'm too fast with this shit, but okay, this is like a lower RR, but so take profit. Shit, bro, I would not target. You could probably target this gap. That's negative. To be honest, I'd probably target this. Okay, I think. Oh shit! Hold on. We did not get stopped out. We had to take profit there. So that could be a new addition to the strategy for all-time highs. I would never try this at all-time highs, by the way. I never would have actually taken that trade. But something for you guys if you want to take it. So that's going to be the end of this video. We took 0 losses, so 100% win rate across how many, like 4 or 5 trades? 3 maybe? Shit, bro, I don't know. It's too late. But let me know down below if you guys want me to go more in depth on this or whatever. And I hope you guys enjoyed.